quiet shade upon the ground for steady sides that hold their sound. A place where thoughts can settle in, a space to find the truth within. One edge glows bright against the shade, a line of hope the light has made, a pathway out, a way to grow, a hint of what the heart can know. A light shines on the waiting wall, a sign that rises when limits call, a way to move through what is closed, a door that opens when truth is closed. The square stands firm through steady time, a place to learn, a place to climb. It holds the mind in gentle care, a boundary that clears the air. Yeah, one side shines to show the key, a point where something can break free, a promise that within each frame, a spark of hope can shift the game. A light shines on the waiting wall, a sign that rises when limits call, a way to move through what is closed, a door that opens when truth is closed. Sometimes the world feels locked and tight, but one clear line can change the night. A brighter view, a shift in form, a place where courage can be born. A light shines on the waiting wall, a sign that